record. Maybe that's why they don't do it either, because it's like so tiny.
Yeah. And you're not going to be able to read no live chat on there. You can forget that.
So this is the other place I was thinking about leaving.
Are you recording?
Yes, I'm recording.
So don't focus on...
What?
Focus on being straight.
I am trying to.
Don't be like, hey!
Yeah, but it's not. Oh, shut up. Be quiet.
Yeah, do it right.
Ooh. It is cold. Oh, that's where their bowling alley is. I looked at that. It was, how much it is? It's like 30 bucks.
The bowl?
Yeah. Why is it turning off?
I don't know. You charge it?
Yeah.
Okay.
That was weird.
Are we already almost at the end of it?
No, it's still the Lego store. I just didn't know where you go in for the Grand California. Was it back that way?
Was that, oh, that was probably it, right? Had that woodwork going on.
You want to go in Lego store?
Guess.
I don't even know why it just keeps turning off. I wonder if I have it on a timer.
Uh-oh.
I just don't know. Did they ever go in the Lego store with it? See, it keeps turning off.
Then I'll tell you.
Ah. This is weird. Figure it out later.
Okay.
Yeah, there's a lot of people in there. Never mind.
Yeah, look at this Lego one. The Toy Story.
The Beauty and the Beast.
That's insane.
I'm gonna have to figure it out what's wrong with it. Keeps turning off.
Uh-oh.
What's down here? Just
That's what I said. Like, are we like at the end of it?
I thought we were, but I guess not.
What time are we getting up tomorrow?
Well, we can head back.
Do you want to do rope grab?
Yes.
Okay, so
I told you.
I'm thinking I could buy a thing in the park instead of
Yeah.
right here.
bad. I want to figure out what's wrong with this.
Okay.